Good morning. We've just woken up next to a church. A lovely quiet spot. And we've had a bit of a late one this morning. Just about to do some errands, but last night, lovely quiet spot. Had great signal, so we were able to catch up on all the socials, which is great because we were a little bit behind. But I'll show you the spot now.
Left our park up after our very slow morning, and we have just arrived at St Govan's, which is just outside of Bosherston, and we are going to be visiting St Govan's Chapel, which is a tiny little stone chapel at the bottom of a cliff in a little cove down, I think it's like 100 steps or something. It's probably more, and I've never seen it before despite living 10 minutes away from here.
Yeah, definitely.
Never been there. So we thought, on this trip we'll do all the touristy things, and this is one thing that loads of people do when they come here. So we are going to go and do it. If you are coming here, be very mindful that it is on an active firing range at Castle Martin. So you must check the government website whether the firing range is active and whether the road is open, because you must drive onto the range and through it to get here. So we checked, the road was open, but tomorrow, for example, it's closed. So you have to be quite mindful of that.
Do not fall.
I definitely didn't fall the other day. One slope step. This is so hot, isn't it?
It is, it's like tucked away.
I'm excited to see it from the outside and the other side. Yeah. See how it looks. So the story goes that St Govan was being chased by pirates into the cove, and when he came into the cove, a cleft opened up in the rock face, and in it he hid from the pirates, and it closed up until the enemy withdrew. And then this is where he stayed worshipping until his death in 586. Is that how you say it? 586?
586, yeah.
Yeah. And it's said that the chapel was built by his followers, perhaps even as early as the 6th century, to worship him, which is pretty damn cool.
It's crazy.
It's mad that they've just literally plonked it on the path, almost. Over here on the head, over there in the head, is the Coast Guard's lookout, and you can actually see people walking along the coastal path at the top of the cliff. This is a World War II bunker. How cool is that? There's quite a few of them dotted along the firing range here, right on the coast. They used to be used for training exercises. Now they're all bricked up, but you can come and see them. How cool! And here's another one. We can't go any closer because it says there's explosives. Possible explosives that could kill us. That's great. Do not touch any military debris. It may explode and kill you. Thank you. So that's another one over there. It doesn't look, I can't see if that one's bricked up, can you?
Yeah, it is.
It is, yeah, they're bricked up so that swallows and bats can roost and nest in them.
Just the top is open.
Like a slit in the top, isn't it? I think it's a great use of them though.
Yeah.
I mean, you may as well, rather than destroying them, you can come and see them and they can serve another purpose. So yesterday when we were in Tenby, I was looking in a charity shop window and I saw this book. I thought, I've got to have a look at that. So I went in and I had a look. And it's The Best Things in Life Are Free from Lonely Planet. And it's packed full of money-saving tips, tricks and recommendations for the best value sites and experiences around the world. Features over 60 major cities all over the planet. And, for example, Austin, Texas It gives you a little map of the city, budget-friendly things to do, ways to save money, different experiences you can do as well. Guess how much I paid for this book? You're wrong, it was £1.99. Originally 18 quid. So I was really happy with that. So when Reese builds me a shelf to go over there and my books can go on it, this is going to go on, and it's even got a yellow spine to match the van. So we've just stopped for lunch. We've actually stopped at Freshwater East, and we have basically pulled up, I'll show you, in like the end of the car park. That's the other side. And we are going to cook ourselves some hot dogs, aren't we? Oh. You alright? Oh. And then we picked these up in Tesco's. Pork New York style hot dogs. They've got wood smoked pork, char grilled onions, tomato ketchup and mustard in them. So we thought these were perfect. So we're just going to have 2 hot dogs each. And then we're just going to have fried onion, got some ketchup, some cheese and some lettuce to like jazz it up a little bit. We've got our chairs out.
Mustard?
No, we don't have mustard.
Oh, shame.
Don't get me with my bib on.
Why is that?
I look like a toddler.
You're going to do a fist bite?
Oh, am I?
Don't know.
I don't even think I'm going to get there. You know, like the first bite of a hot dog is always bun?
I
think it might be one of them. I'll give it a go.
Alright, put your bib on.
I can't even get my mouth round it.
See, bib coming in handy already.
Mmm. They're really smoky.
They're good?
Mmm.
Lovely. Well, I'll eat mine now.
After lunch, we headed to Saundersfoot to spend the afternoon. It's really nice, this one.
What is it?
Honeycomb. As always. Oh, chef. What's for dinner tonight?
What's a good one tonight? Pot noodle.
Have you done van life if you haven't had a pot noodle?
Right, it's just one of those days where we just can't be asked.
While I wait for dinner, I'll show you these. We picked up these 2 ciders from a farm shop. They're 7.4%. They're Pembrokeshire company, and we're going to try them. It says it's a medium dry cider. Resembles the bicycle, strong and robust, but will leave you with wobbly legs.
Sounds great. And good morning. We have woken up in this lovely car park, all to ourselves. There was one other camper with us last night. They were lovely and quiet. They left probably about half an hour ago. Left no trace, which is always great. But it's a lovely spot in the woods, just all on our own. That's where the other camper was. And that's us.
Hello. It's been a while.
Well, not for you.
No, not for you. It's probably been about 10 seconds. For us, it's been like 2 days. We spent some time with family the last day or so, and the weather hasn't been very good anyway. It's been quite rainy down in Pembrokeshire, so we went out to dinner and we just spent time with family, so we didn't record any of that. think the last thing you will have seen was us in Saundersfoot, or us at our park up.
Yeah.
Was the last thing you will have seen. So we spent yesterday with family, and then today we've moved on. We're heading back along the coast up towards home, Cardiff way, and we're planning on spending today and tomorrow in the Gower, exploring that.
We've arrived and it's raining.
Really badly as well.
All day.
It's just drizzled. The weather wasn't supposed to be this bad.
Tomorrow the weather is supposed to pick up a bit. It's supposed to, really be dry.
Yeah, as long as it's dry,
It's not
we'll
gonna be
do
hot.
anything.
It'll just be dry. And that's fine. So today we are just thinking, what are we going to do now? You catch me on a little walk. We have just pulled into like a little car park. Fion's doing a little bit of meal prep for tonight. We're having honey chili chicken. So she's just marinating that. I've decided to go for a little walk. So with the weather, we're just kind of plotting what we're gonna do next. I think we're gonna head to our park up early and try again tomorrow really. Thought make the most of it. I'm by the beach right now, even though the weather's not great. Have a bit of a gander.
Right, let's find this park up. It's supposed to be just by here. It was a bin.
Oh, that is a bin. That's nice.
Wild. We are ecstatic about the bin.
Busied up a bit since you last saw it, but let me show you the spot.
Dinner tonight is honey chili chicken, broccoli, rice and peppers. This has been marinating for 2 hours, so fingers crossed it should be really good. Now after dinner we are trying out Magic the Gathering, a card game. We've never played this before.
No, we haven't. And
We picked up a starter kit, didn't we?
yeah, we love board games and we want to get into card games because it's not really feasible bringing a lot of our board games in the van.
No, ours are huge.
Yeah, but card games we can. So we're trying to get into some. So if you have any recommendations for card games, please let us know.
Look at how much better the weather is today. So we're on our way to the Blue Pool.
On the hunt for the blue pool.
Yeah, hunt is a good word to describe what we are currently doing. We have no idea where we're going.
You've already had a tumble.
Yeah. Yeah, the sun is shining though, so I'm very happy.
Can't be far now.
No,
Well,
maybe like 4 minutes.
We'll see you when we're there then.
Yeah, I guess. So still. That looks fake, doesn't it? What a weird thing to do. Right?
Weird.
This is the Blue Pool. That little thing down there. It's like a natural rock pool that you can swim in. So we're gonna make our way down all of this now and go and have a look. Definitely did not forget to film our lunch. Oh, thanks for that. we are now.
Down the door. How long have we got left?
I'll show you. I think we're here on the pink line.
That's halfway.
Just over half, I'd say, because we've only got to go back to there.
So,
The smell of shit right in my face.
thanks, love.
Sorry. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you've enjoyed our Wales series.
Well, as much as we did. We
Yeah.
had a brilliant time.
We've had a great time. The sun has been shining pretty much the whole time, which we were so excited for because obviously Scotland was all in the snow. So it's been great.
Yeah, and keep an eye out. We'll be continuing doing van build series.
Yeah.
And for any further trips we do.
Yeah, we got some more adjustments to make to Benny.
Yeah.
And then we got some more trips to take. Some more really exciting ones at the end of the year as well.
Oh,
so
yeah.
make sure you're subscribed, you like our videos, and if you haven't already seen our Scotland series, go and watch that in
Have a
the
peek.
meantime.
Very different.
Very different.